What's up, guys? We just got back from Hot Springs and I started going through the videos, and I had the wrong video card in the dash cam. So it had got no video of the off-road stuff because it was too small. It was overwriting. So all I have is what the video I took on my phone, which really has no action. So it is what it is. Enjoy the video. It's mostly just me talking and looking around. But next time we go, I'll make sure I have the right video chip in the dash cam, so I'll actually get some video of driving across the trails. Alright guys, enjoy the video, and here we go. What's up, guys? Back at the Green Goat, getting gas, getting ready to go to Hot Springs. 93 ain't too bad, I guess not. But yeah, we're heading out to Hot Springs. We'll be there tonight. We're gonna spend the night in the hotel, and then we're gonna go to the ORV park tomorrow morning. They open at 9, so we should have plenty of time to get the Jeep muddy. So we'll be back. Okay, this is day 2 of the trip. We're here at Hot Springs ORV park. Jeep, Green Goat. Yeah, let's spin around. We'll kind of take a look at the parking lot here for a second. We are early, about 15 minutes. The gate was open, but I'm sure the store hasn't opened yet. We're just gonna wait. We'll get on the trails here in a little bit. So yeah, that's the store and check-in. So yeah, we'll get some videos of the trail. I gotta air down the tires and do all that stuff. So we'll see how this stock Grand Cherokee does on these trails. Now I'm not gonna go nuts and get on some of the heavy trails, because I gotta drive it home. So we'll be back later, show you some videos of the trails. All right, later, guys. Okay, so we made it through the first little trails they gave us. They gave us a nice little like beginner's route through the park. Let's turn around and take a look at where we're at right now. And here's the Jeep. I think old boy went the wrong way, hun. I think he went the wrong way. But anyway, yeah, we're out in the middle. That first trail wasn't too bad. It's wet, so I spin a little bit. But you can see, remember, I'm at Hot Springs Off-Road Park. And we just did B7 and B1. And now we're on, I guess they call it Highway 2. It's not really, it's just a road. It's not really anything that would be considered like an off-road trail or nothing. It's actually like a logging road. But we're gonna go down this way. And you know, intermixed in this, we'll have the dash cam going. So we'll get a lot of that action. See if I can get the wife out here in the nasty to do some videoing while I'm driving. All right, we'll be back. How's it going, everybody? We're still out on a trail, and we just got done with, flip this around, Lashes Loop S17. It's a 1 diamond. It was pretty easy. I mean, really wasn't too bad. Had some off-camera moments. The only one that's really been bad was the was waterfall, I think, and I got stuck for a second, and I got really bad off camber. Wasn't exactly most thrilling thing in the world, but as you can see, we've been through 5 trails now, and we haven't caught any damage yet. I'm amazed. I heard it scrape pretty good over here, and it doesn't look like it did any damage. It scraped pretty bad, but no damage on the truck yet, which is a good thing. But yeah, we're having a blast going 5-7 miles an hour. But yeah, see it out here. It's nice. It's not too cold. It's about 50 degrees. So it ain't too bad. Real muddy. But it's a lot of rock. So I got the Jeep in rock mode and 4 low, and we're gonna head that way now. It was really nice. The woman at the front gave us a map and drew us a loop to go. You know, we told her what kind of vehicle we had and what our experience level was. So she drew us a nice little map. You know, they have a map for the park, but she highlighted a map for us to go through that she believed that we would be okay going through. And she'd been here for 5 years, so tend to believe her. And like I said, there was only one spot, and you'll see it in the video, that the nose is way up in the air and we come down and over. It's a little nerve-wracking, but I'll get used to it. It ain't drag racing, but it's still fun. All right, we'll be back. Yep, we're on Brandon's Run now. So there's a little bit of a climb coming up, but not bad. Walk down here around the corner. And some pretty big mud puddles. Let's flip this around. Pretty big mud puddles down there. Not too bad. And we'll just kind of get out to stretch our legs a little bit. Come down here and we'll show what we're gonna go down here, which ain't nothing really. I stopped up here at the top just to get some video. Now this is a tad bit confusing here. Because I don't think we're going that way. That looks pretty gnarly. I think straight is where we need to go. Let's see here. Oh, we definitely don't need to go down Ken Adams. No. But which way is that? See, I don't know. I have to look at the map. It doesn't seem like that's a trail, really. Well, maybe it is. Oh, damn, that is a trail. Look at that. That is a trail. I'm going to guess we're going to keep going straight. I have to look at the map. There's a Jeep sitting up there on top of the hill. So, we'll get to the map and take a look at it and see where we're supposed to go. How's it going? We're up here at the intersection of 2 and 5. So, 5 around here. Now, 2 and 5 are kind of the main roads through this. But yeah, this is like a light trail. It ain't really like a road. We just climbed up this to this peak, and we'll come down here just a little bit and I'll show you all what we just climbed over. And I took the wrong line and scraped the Jeep pretty bad, but it didn't hurt it. It sounded a lot worse than what it was. We were down here, and I guess I should have taken the outside line, but I took the inside line. And let's get over here. See, I figured climbing these rocks here would have been better. don't see any marks, but yeah, I came up across this and scraped it pretty good. And I probably should have stayed over here. It's a little smoother. Should have taken the outside. But I mean, that's all with that's all with experience. I'm trying to take the Jeep on the easiest path I can. Now, mind you, remember, I'm in a 2014 Grand Caravan Limited. Or not Caravan, sorry. Grand Cherokee. Right? Limited. And it's 100% stock besides the tune I put on it. It's got just all-terrain tires on it. Nothing. And I've only had one issue, and you'll see that on the videos, where we got hung up. So we'll get back in here and we'll go look at this outlook that's to the south, and then we'll go back north. And then she said there's one more road that we need to take, come back over to 2, come back around to the main thing. Then we'll probably be heading home. But it's been a good day so far. It's a little cloudy and misty, but it's been a good day. All right, we'll be back.
Where'd they go?
Down over the hill there. Oh, it seems like we missed him. Oh no, there's one. Yeah, there's a doe. There's another doe right there. Yeah, got to see deer on a trip. They're not too concerned about us though, I don't think. Well, not that you can see anything, but this is the lookout point. It's real foggy, I know. But oh, Grand Cherokee for the win. It's been real good. We're gonna go back down to Highway 5 and continue on, and our last trail is going to be what was it, hun? What was the last trail? It was G9.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it'll be G9 will be the last trail. Then we'll go back to the office and air back up and head back to Memphis. So we'll have a couple more. We'll have a couple more videos, and I'll see y'all later. Well, guys, it's the end of the day, and Jeep did great out here. We're just a stock ass Jeep, but good place to go. Hot Springs ORV Park. We didn't get any damage. There's a couple spots that I got a little worried because of the off-camber situation. We got stuck 3 times. Not really stuck, just couldn't get up the hill. Had to back up and kind of romp on it to get up over the hill. So other than that, everything was great. It's fun. You should do it if you got a Jeep or pickup, 4-wheel drive, something. Or they have rentals for side-by-sides. Look them up. But it's Ozark, or not Ozark, Hot Springs ORV Park. So anyway, guys, we're gonna head back to Memphis, and y'all take it easy.